Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering how to make your PC more secure and you want to know how can you add password on your Windows 11 PC, you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it in some very straightforward steps, so let's jump right into it. First, let's stop on start or click on start right here and you go to settings. You can find it here pinned. If you don't have it pinned and you want to find it, just search for settings in the search bar right here and open settings. Now from here you need to go ahead and open accounts, and then in accounts you need to scroll down until you find something that says sign in options, or you find this key right here. You tap on it and right here you need to find password. It should say password here and it has this key icon. You tap on it. Now if you don't have a password at all, it should say here add. Now if you have a password and you want to change it, it should say edit or modify, same way it's showing me right here because I already have a password. Now if you don't have a password, again it should say add. So you click on add and wait for it to load up. So it might take a couple of seconds, so you even might have to enter your code right there. And now you go ahead and add your new password. Now if you don't have a password and you want to add one from scratch, so you tap on add and you get a window to just type in your new or your password that you want, and even a window to add a hint to help you later remember your password if you happen to forget it. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.